soda.
I've got a friend who drinks a lot of soda.
But he is afraid to drink a lot of soda.
Oh, he's a friend that drinks a lot of soda. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. You can do any song as Fred Schneider, and it's funny. Name a song. Name a song that I might know the lyrics to.
I don't know any songs.
Like a classic rock song.
How about,
That's cool.
No, I don't know those lyrics.
How about, Breaking the Law by Judas Priest?
Breaking the... Oh, wait. That's a tough one. That's a tough one to get into his voice. Breaking the law? No, wait. It's too high. It's too high.
How about,
Big River.
Breaking the law. Wait, here it is. Breaking the law. 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 They broke a law. It was a broken law. Holy shit! Alex, don't ever do that again. Alex.
Terrifying.
Alex, that's the closest we've had to dying so far. Not good.
At no point were we close to dying.
Head out of ass. No unprotected lefts.
tell him that in that guy's voice.
Hey, Alex. No more unprotected laughs. It was an unprotected laugh.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay. It gets us excited. It makes us value our lives a little more.
I've done way dumber things.
Yeah, me too. I've driven with my eyes closed.